Hi, my name is Dr. Renee Cowan, and welcome to Literacy Unboxed. Today we're going to explore how to use a syllable mat to support two important phonological awareness skills, syllable segmentation and syllable blending. These skills help children recognize that words are made up of parts, or syllables, which is essential for both reading and spelling. Using a syllable mat adds a visual and hands-on component to instruction, making these abstract concepts more concrete and engaging for young learners. Let's take a closer look at how it works.
Okay, so this is a syllable mat. Have you seen one of these before? We're going to use it to listen to a word, and we're going to count how many syllables are in that word, and we're going to move a chip for each syllable we hear, okay? So first we're going to start by saying a word out loud, and then we're going to fist pound each syllable that we hear. So I'll show you, okay? So take the word chicken. I'm going to fist pound it, chick-in. So that word has two syllables, right? So for each syllable, I'm going to say that syllable and move the chip into the box, chick-in. And then I'm going to blend it by running my finger underneath the chips on the line, chicken. Just like that. Do you want to try a few? Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to say a word. I want you to listen first. The word is apple. Can you repeat?
Apple.
Let's fist pound each syllable. Apple. How many syllables in that word? Two, so I know I'm going to need two boxes. Can you move a colored chip into each box and say the syllable that you hear for the word apple?
Apple.
Great job, you just segmented the word apple. Can you blend it together?
Apple.
Good job. And have you ever used a magnetic wand?
No.
If you don't like blending with your finger, you can blend with the wand, right? So we can go like this, apple, just like that. Do you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay.
Apple.
Like that, perfect. So if you like the wand better, you can use the wand. If you prefer your finger, use the finger. Okay, should we do a couple more?
Yeah.
Okay, the word is pickle. Repeat.
Pickle.
Let's pound it out. Pickle. Okay, should we do it again? Pickle. Can you move a colored chip for each syllable you hear?
Pickle.
And then blend it together.
Pickle. Pickle.
Good job. Okay, can we do two more?
Yeah.
Okay. The word is cupcake. Repeat.
Cupcake.
Let's pound it out. Cupcake. Can you segment the word according to the syllables you hear?
Cupcake.
And then blend it together.
Cupcake.
Nice work. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, the word is bubble. Repeat.
Bubble.
Let's pound it out. Bubble. Can you move a chip for each syllable you hear?
Bubble.
And then blend it together.
Bubble.
Nice work. So you just segmented and blended words by syllable.
This strategy can be applied to any word, helping students strengthen their phonological awareness in a hands-on, interactive way. With regular practice, segmenting and blending syllables will become automatic, building a strong foundation for reading and spelling success. Try it out in your classroom and let us know how it goes.